So before I mow the lawns, I've been helping my bees fight off some wasps, and I thought this hive was dead. Turns out it's not, but it's under major attack. So what I'm going to do, the wasps aren't taking the meat bait, so they're probably still hunting for sugar, which is why they're hitting up this weak hive, because it's got sugar. Now what I'm going to do is, I can't leave this hive here, so I've got a new plan of attack. I'm going to check it and see if there's a queen in there. If there's a queen in there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it. I'm going to move the hive. Go away, wasp. There's still bees actively defending this. I've been hitting the wasps with water and squashing them for about the last half an hour. Got heaps of them. Little shitballs, Batman. We have a lot of bees in here. This is still a hive that is very much defending itself, but it needs a break from these wasps. So what I'm going to do, without further ado, just going to have a quick look and ascertain whether we've got a queen in here. If we're queen right, which I'll find out very, very soon. If we're queen right, I'm not confident we are, by the way, because these bees are moving. Mind you, I smell stuff. I smell honey. Then again, it's a beehive. Let's have a look and see what we find, eh? This should be the brood frame. Now, I'm not seeing brood. I didn't expect to, because if there's a queen, she'll only be very new. I'm seeing some queen cups there, and they've hatched. So this hive created those in the last couple of weeks. So the queens that I put in here possibly didn't take, and it looks like they may have created themselves another queen. That's all good, but still no brood. Bit of patchy old brood on here. Bees that are just cruising around suggest to me another queen cup. A wasp there busy harvesting what it can. Yeah, it doesn't look good, because it looks like this wasp is just cruising in there harvesting whatever it can find. The hive itself is living on sugar. Doesn't seem to have any honey. And these wasps are just cruising around looking for protein. And these poor girls are looking a little bit lost. So, unless I can see a queen, I may have to do something with this colony. Because what I'm trying to do is start me another nuke. Go away, wasp. There's a wasp in there. They don't muck around these things. What I'm trying to do is start another colony. And for that, I need a laying queen. So in my inspections tomorrow, if I detect, and there's another queen cup, and possibly some wax moth going on as well. So this hive's in some strife, I would say. Alright, so it doesn't look like the queen right, which is a shame. I'll let them slug it out with the wasps for the night, and I'll work out what to do with them in the morning. It will almost certainly be a relocation, and I will probably introduce some queen cells or some eggs from another hive and get this split properly. But I'm gonna have to move it before I can do anything, because if I leave this here tomorrow, the wasps will come back and it'll just carry on. So they've detected this is a weak hive and they're just plundering it. I have to move this hive, so when the wasps rock up tomorrow, they have no hive. So this is me just trying to help a struggling baby hive under wasp attack. My name's Brian, by the way. You're watching Not That Brian. If you like beekeeping, sustainability, nature, wildlife, a bit of gardening, some philosophy and life's learnings along the way, yeah, give us a subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, just share my learnings. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, it is not going to happen, unfortunately. It is not going to happen for them. My little hive does not have a queen. She died. Probably a horrible death. No, they're all giving it a go now.